Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you the most popular Haleem recipe. It's a stew made up of meat, lentils, broken wheat and rice. Very nutritious and a complete meal. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Let's get started. These are the ingredients we require to make this dish. Making Haleem is a long process. Today I'll show you the simplest way how to make it. Into a pressure cooker, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil and a tablespoon of ghee. To make this dish, I'm using mutton. You can use chicken, beef and vegetable of your choice. To this, I'm adding half a kilo mutton with bones. You can use boneless as well. Fry the mutton pieces for about 5 minutes on a high flame. To the mutton, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Give it a nice mix. Add 2 cups of water. Cook on a high flame for about 2 whistles, then reduce the flame to the lowest and cook for 40 to 45 minutes or until done. Meat is getting cooked. Meanwhile, let's dry fry the spices and lentils. Into a pan, I'm adding 2 green cardamoms, half an inch of cinnamon stick, 4 cloves, a teaspoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of cumin seeds, a small piece of maize flour, 3 tablespoons of red lentils, 3 tablespoons of split green gram lentil, 3 tablespoons of split chickpea lentil, 3 tablespoons of broken wheat, 2 tablespoons of white sesame seeds, 3 tablespoons of KODO millet. This is how it looks. Instead of rice, I'm using millet to make this dish a little more healthy. Fry all these on a low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Keep this aside, let it cool down completely. Transfer it to a blender and grind coarsely. Transfer it to a bowl and set it aside. Now let's check the meat. Meat is cooked perfectly. It's soft and tender. I want to separate the bones from the meat. It's so soft, bones are falling apart. That's how the meat should be. Drain the stock and mash the meat using a potato masher. To the meat, I'm adding the ground lentils and the stock. Give it a nice mix. I'm adding 4 cups of hot water. Always add hot water to maintain the temperature. Give it a mix. Now let this cook on a low flame for an hour. Keep stirring in between to prevent burning. It's been cooking for an hour. Check out the consistency. It's perfect. To this, I'm adding 3 green chilies finely chopped, half a cup of mint leaves chopped, half a cup of fried onion, half a cup of diced carrot, a tablespoon of salt. Combine all these ingredients well, let it simmer for 5 more minutes. Before serving, add 2 tablespoons of ghee, a tablespoon of rose water, give it a nice mix. I hope you enjoy this recipe. It's a complete meal. Do give it a try. Share it with your family and friends. Also, share your thoughts about this recipe in the comments below. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right, my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.